I have two systems, G1 and G2, that I want to analyze using bodeplot. And the first method I'm going to consider is using the margin function. So for margin function, the argument it takes is just the transfer function of the system. And the advantage of the margin function is, apart from visualizing the magnitude and phase of the system at various frequency, you can also clearly see the gain and phase margins of the system. So for example, if I want to analyze G1, so you can see this is the bodeplot. I have my gain margin, which is 18.1, and my phase margin, which is minus 180 degrees. And if you want to see the magnitude at different frequency, you just click on the plot. And if you drag through the plot, you'll be able to see the magnitude. For example, at 3.08 rad per second, the magnitude is just minus 30.6 decibel. Likewise, if you want to see the phase at different frequency, so you can see at 0.254 rad per second, you have minus 42.9. So you can see from the plot, I'm visualizing the system with frequencies of the range of 0.1 to 10. So I can increase the range in order to have a wider view of the frequency response of the system. So how can I do that? I can just adjust my margin function and then put a second argument. So for example, if I want to visualize between 0.1 rad per second up to, for example, 1000, so this is the range I want my bodeplot to be plotted, and you can see it has increased from 0.1 up to 10 to power 3, which is 1000. So the disadvantage of using the margin function is I cannot analyze the frequency response of two systems at the same time. So if I try doing that, for example, if I just put margin and then G1, G2, so you can see I have an error from Matlab. So I can achieve that using the BODE function. So the BODE function is the second method, and you can have like a single plot, like using BODE, and if I just put G1, you can see this is the BODE plot, but I don't have the phase and gain margins, which is its drawback compared to using the margin function. However, I can analyze more than one system using the BODE function. So I have BODE and I have G1, G2, and I can have my legend just to differentiate which is G1 and which is G2. So G1 and then G2. So now you can see I have my two systems and I can analyze them together and have my legend for G1 and G2. If you want to learn more skills on using Simulink for control systems, watch the video on the right. If you want to know more about PID in Simulink, watch the video on the left. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.